Here's a great tip on how to acquire ropes and cordage. Right here, what I have is a retired climbing rope. I bought it in a local climbing center for $20. This will typically retail for north of $100 here in Canada, so they're not cheap. They are retired, so you're not going to be using these for rock climbing or anything like that, which is really not my purpose. But these ropes are thick. This is about half an inch here, so about 50 millimeters, and you can 100% use this in your campsite, maybe as a ridge line or just to tie cargo in your vehicle. So highly recommend as a rope.